It's 11 p.m. The deadline is tomorrow. You promised yourself you'd start hours ago. Instead, you watched videos, scrolled your phone, and reorganized your desk. Sound familiar? Before you call yourself lazy, listen closely. What's happening inside your brain is not a character flaw. Procrastination is not about time management. It is not about discipline. It is not about being a bad person. It is actually a battle happening between two specific regions of your brain, and one of them almost always wins in the short term. Meet the first fighter, the prefrontal cortex. It sits right behind your forehead. This is the part of your brain that plans, sets goals, thinks about your future self, and decides what you should do. It is wise, but it is also slow and effortful. Now meet the second fighter, the limbic system. Deep in the center of your brain, it controls emotion, pleasure, and threat. It is fast, automatic, and ancient. It does not care about your essay due tomorrow. It cares about how you feel right now. Here is what happens when you sit down to start that hard task. Your prefrontal cortex looks at the project and sees something complex, uncertain, maybe even threatening to your sense of competence. That picture gets passed to the limbic system, which reacts instantly. The limbic system reads that hard task the same way it would read a small physical danger. It releases stress signals. Your heart rate ticks up, your shoulders tighten. You feel a quiet but real wave of discomfort just from thinking about starting. Your brain hates that feeling, so it does what brains are designed to do. It looks for a way to make the bad feeling stop. And right there in your pocket, on your screen, on your shelf, is an easy escape. You pick up your phone, you open a video, you check one notification, and something interesting happens inside your brain. A small chemical called dopamine is released. Dopamine is not happiness. Dopamine is wanting. It tells your brain, do that again. In that moment, your brain learns something powerful. Hard task equals discomfort. Phone equals relief. Next time you face that essay, that email, that workout, your brain remembers the shortcut. Procrastination is not laziness. It is a learned emotional rescue. And here is the part that hurts. The relief does not last. A few minutes into the video, the guilt starts creeping in. You know you should be working. The deadline is closer. The task is still there, untouched, and now it feels even heavier. So you reach for another distraction to push the guilt away, and another. This is the procrastination loop. Task brings discomfort. Distraction brings relief. Relief fades. Guilt grows. Bigger discomfort needs a bigger distraction. The loop tightens with every round.